Hello guys, let's talk business. In this video, I will tell you how you can earn more money apart from your job, and this is the easiest side hustle which I'm going to tell you. And this is a secret, don't tell anyone. And if you want to know what is this, just watch this video till the very end. So let's get started with the video. Hello guys, welcome to Cut Reviews, and my name is Prakhar. And in this video, as I told you, I will be telling you a really good secret about earning side income apart from your job. And this is legit. This is not drop shipping, this is not affiliate marketing, this is nothing to do with any kind of marketing. This is totally honest and really good opportunity which I'm going to discuss with you, and you'll be amazed by knowing what it is. And if you are the content creator, you know that there are so many different videos which have the subtitles, and there are so many different companies which can pay you to transcribe. That means you can put the subtitles on the video in English or any other language which you know, and you will get paid for that. One such company is Rev, and if you know how to transcribe, this is the really super easy trick. So now let's talk how you can transcribe the video. Once you start adding the subtitles to the video, there are so many different videos which don't have the clear audio. There are so many different videos which have the disturbance, the noise disturbance, but it is really hectic task. But what if I tell you you can do this everything with just a few clicks like a pro with the help of the AI? So this site which I'm talking about is Gglot. So it's Gglot. So if you visit their site, they are superior at transcribing the video. Imagine yourself as a content creator and you are creating so many different videos, and there are so many people around the world who doesn't understand your language, who doesn't understand what you're saying in the video. But what if you give them their language, the writing of the language, and your content can be pushed into their countries? So this is really great opportunity, and this will make you go viral in these countries with a lot of populations. So I'm talking about this software which can help you to transcribe the videos, to add the subtitles on your video with the help of the AI, and this is really easy. You just put your video and it will do everything for you. Just put your video, and they have really great packages. You can go with the free version, and after that it has a package. So now let's talk about how you can earn the money. So once you go as a freelancer transcriber, you can go to this site called as Fiverr. You can put your own details as a transcriber, and you can have an individual project by your name. And there are so many different companies which pay you from $18 to $22 for transcribing and making those videos with the subtitles. Now adding the subtitles to the video is really hectic task. You have to add, you have to listen, you have to concentrate for each and every word. Now imagine you can do that process with only simple clicks, and you save a lot of time. So now here's a trick. You can charge $5 to $10 for each video which you are transcribing. Now once you charge $5 to $10 per video for transcribing, and this software will do that same thing for $2 to $3. And imagine you're doing 30 to 50 videos a day. You just have to put the videos and it will align on the software. You can convert 50 to 60 videos at one time. You can just put the video, it will just convert it, and you will have a notification that that video has been transcribed. And I'm telling you guys, this is not a joke, this is a real opportunity, and this is a secret which I shared you, and this is the way I am also earning money. And if you guys want to know more about this website, there's a link in the description box. You can just click on the link and you can go on their website. There's so many different packages. There's free, basic, and pro. So now let me show you the process, how it is done, how you can export your video. You can make a SRT file or make a subtitles file from any audio file. So I'll show you how it is done. Let's go inside my computer. So once you're on their website, this is how the dashboard looks like, and this is so professional and so easy that anyone can do it. And they have so many different tools. On the left hand side you can see all kind of different menu options. So if you have to upload your video, you can choose from here. You can choose any video which you have and you want to subtitle it. You can choose that video. It can be ranging from 1 minute to 10 minutes, whatever, and 30 minutes is the maximum limit. So you can choose so many options. There are so many different language options. So suppose I have to convert it in English, and you can add your own vocabulary, or they have a custom vocabulary. One more option is you can upload it directly from YouTube. If you want to subtitle any video from YouTube, you can put the URL and you can do that as well. So they have pretty much so many different options, and in there you can define how many speakers are there on the video. You can select that number as well. So in this video I am only speaking, so it is only one. And now you just have to click and you have to start uploading it. Once your video is uploaded, it will pop up on the bottom menu, and this is how it looks like. There are two options: get human transcription, or you have the option of get automatic. So I go with the automatic. So if there is any error, you can obviously correct it. So Meanwhile, you can see it's in the progress. So once it is done, you will get an email in your account that it is done. So you can just leave it, and you can do so many multiple videos. So now it's done. I'll open that and I can see for myself that this is done. So this is how it looks like. Whatever you're speaking, it will come down and the cursor will go through each and every word which you speak in the video. So if you see any word is having any mistake, you can go and correct that. So this is so easy and this is so accurate. I find no mistake in that. So this is so accurate and the AI is superb. So this is how you convert your subtitle. So guys, this was it. So this is so easy. This is super easy. I'm telling you guys, this is not a joke. This is super great opportunity for all the content creator out there. Whoever is watching this website is a gem. If you visit this website, you can try it for yourself and you will not regret it, because there is not much investment in this. You can have a pro package, you can have a basic, you can have so many different options. And if you like this software, then I'm telling you, this is the best opportunity and you can start making money from day one. And if you are still doing your job and you're not having any extra source of income, I suggest you guys rethink, and this is the easiest possible thing which I told you, apart from affiliate marketing, apart from drop shipping, apart from any major investment to do. So if you guys like this video, if you guys like this channel, if you guys like the content, please support this video by sharing and subscribing. And if you guys are new and watching this video, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you are notified when I post anything. So this was it, guys. This was all about the Gglot software which is out there in the market and which is untouched by so many professionals. So this was it, guys. I'll come up with another video. Until then, just take care and have a good one. Goodbye.